Apple. Apple. I like to eat an apple. Banana. Banana. The banana is yellow. Orange. Orange. I drink orange juice every day. Mango. Mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. Grapes. Grapes. Grapes grow in bunches. Pineapple. Pineapple. This pineapple is very sweet. Strawberry. Strawberry. She bought fresh strawberries. Blueberry. Blueberry. Blueberries are small and tasty. Raspberry. Raspberry. He made raspberry jam. Blackberry. Blackberry. Blackberries are black in color. Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon is big and juicy. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is a summer fruit. Papaya. Papaya. Papaya is good for health. Kiwi. Kiwi. Kiwi has brown skin. Lemon. Lemon. Lemon tastes sour. Lime. Lime. Lime juice is refreshing. Cherry. Cherry. Cherries are red and sweet. Peach. Peach. She ate a ripe peach. Plum. Plum. Plums are purple in color. Apricot. Apricot. Apricots are small and soft. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pomegranate has many seeds. Fig. Fig. Figs are very sweet. Date. Date. Dates grow on palm trees. Coconut. Coconut. Coconut water is healthy. Guava. Guava. Guava has a strong smell. Lychee. Lychee. Lychee is juicy and soft. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Passion fruit has a sour taste. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit looks beautiful.